Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an Intel High Definitions DSP code number 28 that the drivers for this device are not installed with the code 28. There are no compatible drivers for this device. To find a driver for this device, click Update the driver. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update itong kanyang graphics driver. So i-select mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then itap lang natin itong search automatically. So tap lang natin yan and wait natin. So the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay? So once na-update na natin itong display adapters, and then next step, so dito lang din, same dito sa device manager, and then select mo lang dito yung sound, video, and game controllers. Alright? So, ilocate natin dito yung high definitions audio driver. Ito siya. So, makikita mo dito na may exclamation mark, mga kaibigan, na kulay yellow. And then, ang gagawin natin dito is to update. So, select mo lang yan. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung update driver. And same procedure. So, may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then select ka lang dito and then itap mo lang tong search automatically and then wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay? So after dito sa device manager and next step, so dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? So click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Intel High Definitions DSP code number 28 on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.